Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mckayla from the Comma Mama Co. And today we're just going to talk about how to find and fix broken links in Showit. Broken links are terrible for user experience. It can actually hurt your SEO as you're pointing people in the wrong direction or to a direction that just doesn't exist. This is hurtful for both internal backlinking and external, as people are coming from other people's websites to a page that does nothing. Which, I mean, if you went somewhere that does nothing and you get a 404, what would you do? You'd probably leave, right? You're not going to spend the time to comb through their website and try and find what you were looking for. So finding broken links is pretty simple. You can use a free tool online. It's called www.brokenlinkcheck.com. It is this one right here. So it's pretty straightforward. It's a free check for broken links. So you're going to type in your URL. So www.commamamaco is what we're doing. We're going to do my own. I know I have some broken links that got to be fixed. All right, add your security code to X. Report distinct broken links only. You probably don't want to do all occurrences of each shed link unless you're really doing a in-depth change. This is more if you're going to find and remove them from your site, but we're just planning on setting up 301 redirects, so we're going to report distinct broken links only. We're going to find it. This may take a few minutes, so I'm actually going to cut this part out, and I'll see you back in a minute. Alright guys, and we're back. Okay, so I lied. We're not just going to do 301 redirects. We're going to do a few others. So in my broken link check, it covered 102 web pages and found 29 broken links. I told you there's going to be a few. If you don't know, I used to do Pinterest, and I switched to just do blogging and SEO. Well, I did blogging and Pinterest, so now it's just blogging and SEO, but that's a story for another day if you're interested. Anyways, so you'll see that not all of it is stuff that I can fix myself. So all these are on my website, which I can create redirects for. That's where we're going to do 301 redirects, and you'll see it shows exactly where the link text is. It allows you to go to the URL where the broken link is found and tells you what it was. So 404 is just the page doesn't exist. So that's the ones we're going to go in and create 301 redirects for. And then you'll see that there are more. So I have a page that's linking to Neil Patel's website for pricing because I Uber suggest, and this link is bad. So I'll have to go back and remove it. I have a blog post that covers different websites that you can guest post for, and 3 of them are having a 404 or a server error. So those have to be removed or updated. And then I have one for SEMrush. Looks like that'll have to be updated as well. And then just a few other ones that have to be updated. These are ones that I have to remove. I can replace them with something else that's a little bit more trustworthy, or just take them off the site. Alright guys, so first we're going to talk about the ones that are in pages that we just have to remove. So these are just ones that we have to remove or update. We'll just do one we can remove. So here, let's see, hey Chelsea. So let's go to this URL. Like I said, make sure that you're logged into your WordPress backend, just in case, if you have blog posts, so that you can just do this super easy. So we will do edit post. And we're going to do, so we need to find it. So it was, the anchor text is hey Chelsea. Let's see. Here it is. So, hey Chelsea. So we're just going to delete it because it makes sense here. Update the blog post. And that broken link is fixed. So you would just repeat that with all the ones you need to for that type of broken link. And then for these broken links, the ones that are your responsibility, you're going to copy the backend and make sure you're already logged into your Showit backend as well. So this is Pinterest templates for podcasters. Go to Showit, and you're going to click on your name in the top left corner. Go to your custom domain and you're going to hit edit. Go to this little gear symbol by your domain name. And you're going to be brought to this redirect page. So we're going to set up our 301 redirects, and that's why I told you to copy the last part of your URL. You're going to paste this here. So Pinterest templates for podcasters, and you're going to send it to another page. If you don't have a suitable page that is closely related in context, so like I don't have another page that would be good for Pinterest templates for podcasters, you're just going to send them to your website. So we're going to copy my URL, Mama Co. Set it here. Add. Now we've fixed that broken link, and you're just going to repeat that for all the ones on your website. If there is a better suited page than your home page, so like say for this one, this is how to use Pinterest keywords. If I had another blog post related to how to use Pinterest keywords or something in a similar context, so maybe like a guide to Pinterest, you could redirect this to that and keep that SEO flowing. Because you also have to remember that some of these might be from other people's websites. So if someone is typing in that keyword from somebody else's website and they have linked this because you talked about Pinterest keywords, you would much rather have them land on a similar blog post or a similar page than one that doesn't have anything to do with it. Then you're just misleading your audience and your potential viewers and clients, and it's just no bueno. All right. But that is pretty much it for fixing your broken links on Showit. Very simple, very straightforward. It's a little time consuming if you have a lot of them, but just take it one step at a time. And of course, you don't have to use broken link check. If you do have an SEO tool, you can use that. Like I know Moz has it where when you audit your site, it'll tell you it's broken links. And there's also Google Console, which will show you your 404s. But until next time, talk to you soon. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And yeah, that's it.